Taking a look at our project plans, we have 2 seat side rails. These components connect the front legs to the back legs. If we take a look at the drawing for our seat side rail for both the left and the right, we do have mitered tenons. This tells us that this piece is mortise and tenoned into the legs. We can see that the finished thickness of this piece is 1 1/8 inches. The lumber that we purchase from the lumberyard measures 0.95 or just under an inch. So we know that we will need to be gluing 2 pieces together to allow us to get this thicker size. If we look at our rough cut list, the seat side rail needs to be thicker than 1 1/8 because 1 1/8 is our finished thickness. We want to have a oversized width of 5 inches by an oversized length of 18 inches. I selected a board that is about 5 3/4 inches in width. This will yield me a 5-inch wide board easily. And I'm going to lay out 4 pieces that are 18 inches in length because I will need to be gluing 2 of these together to make 1 side rail, and I have 2 side rails on my project. So this board will easily yield me 4 pieces that are 5 inches wide by 18 inches long.